with fur. He's buried in kittens who wiggle and purr. Oh, kittens are fuzzy and kittens are sweet, with tiny pink noses and soft little feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. They're climbing on Daddy. It's Kitten-y Heaven. There's Kitty and Meowifer, Howifer too, and Chowifer dancing on Daddy's left shoe. Then Whiskers and Coco are chasing a string, while Pippin is sleeping like he is a king. Oh, kittens are fuzzy and kittens are sweet, with tiny pink noses and soft little feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. They're climbing on Daddy. It's Kitten-y Heaven. They jump on his shoulders, they pat at his nose, they play hide and seek in the space between his toes. Daddy is giggling, he's trying to speak, but a kitten is licking the fuzz on his cheek. Paws are for pouncing, claws are for climbing. Purring is lovely and keeps perfect timing. Let's count them again now as Daddy stays still. They're tumbling down like a fluffy white hill. Count 1, Kitty. 2, Meowifer. 3, Howifer. Here. Count 4, Chowifer. 5, Whisker giving a cheer. Count 6, Coco. 7, Pippin. All in a stack. They're soft and they're cuddly, a kitten attack. Oh, kittens are fuzzy and kittens are sweet, with tiny pink noses and soft little feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. They're climbing on Daddy. It's Kitten-y Heaven. So if you have kittens and Daddy is near, just pile them on him and give him a cheer. 7 is a lot of kittens, Dad.